Hello friends, good morning. I am welcoming you from Choitis Pond. It is near Rajshahi in Bangladesh. You are watching Fishing Story 365.
কানন ভাই হিট করেছেন, দেখা যাক কি মাছ উঠে।
The angler is catching a fish in front of me. You are watching. Fish is playing under the water. He is trying to catch it. It is running underwater. This place near at Rajshahi city. It is winter season. Cool weather in Bangladesh. Oh, finally caught it. Finally caught it. It's not a very big size, but it is medium big size. It's a ruhu. It's looking amazing. This fish color is so incredible. I think you're looking and you'd like this. So finally it will be released from a hook and then it will put into net under the water. Look at this, it is stronger, very stronger. It covered by cloth because it can jump into water, therefore it's covered by cloth. Finally put it. Look at this, he has got another two. So friends, if you like this type of video, you can subscribe us, you can follow us on our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and also you can subscribe us on YouTube. Our subscription is totally free. So let's see you with next video. Until, stay with us. Bye now.